3D animation shorts are going viral. Take a look at this page. They're getting millions of views posting Disney-style 3D animation short. Take a look at one of their videos with 13 million views. It features minions dressed in different Halloween costumes. The best part is that you can personalize your minions, dressing them up as any movie character or in any style you prefer. Thanks to the power of AI, you can create these viral Disney-style 3D animation without spending a dime on expensive software or years learning animation skills. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process on how to create these viral animated shorts using free AI tools. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you won't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first step in creating our 3D animation short video is generating the perfect image prompt. To make things super easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with prompt design to help you generate unique and high-quality image prompts effortlessly. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, take a second to hit that like button. Not only does it let me know you're enjoying the content, but it also helps the YouTube algorithm recommend this video to more creators like you. Now let's move on. Go to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt I've put together. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. This prompt is specifically designed to generate highly detailed descriptions for creating minions dressed as Game of Thrones characters. But the best part? You're not limited to just that. You can edit the prompt however you want. If you want to create something different, like minions dressed as Marvel superheroes, Star Wars characters, or even historical figures, simply edit the prompt by swapping out the character names. Then hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a refined and highly detailed prompt ready for image generation. If you want more prompts, you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you more variations until you get the perfect result. This process allows for endless creativity, making it possible to design completely unique, high-quality image prompts with ease. With the image prompts ready, the next step is to turn them into high-quality visuals. For this, we'll use Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for Ideogram.ai. Once you're on the website, create an account if you don't have one. After logging in, click on the plus icon to start a new image creation session. Before pasting your prompt, it's important to adjust the settings for the best results. Look for the style settings and change it to realistic to ensure your images have a high-quality, lifelike appearance. Next, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the perfect format for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. This will make sure your images are optimized for vertical video content. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Return to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the text box, and hit Generate. Ideogram will begin processing your request, analyzing the details in the prompt to create visually stunning images based on your prompt. Within a few moments, you'll see multiple images based on your prompt, each uniquely styled with intricate details and vibrant colors. Take your time to go through the different generated images. Once you've chosen the perfect image, click the download button to save it to your device. Now repeat this process to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to bring our static images to life by transforming them into fully animated videos. For this, we'll use Hailuo AI. Go over to your browser and search for Hailuo AI.video. Once on the website, create an account if you're new to the platform. Once logged in, click on the plus icon to begin a new animation project. Begin by uploading the first image you want to animate. To achieve the best results, it's important to give prompt instructions. Go back to ChatGPT and find the original prompt that was used to generate that specific image. Copy the prompt, then return to Hailuo AI and paste it into the input box. Then click Generate and Hailuo AI will begin working its magic. The system will analyze the image, process the prompt's details, and apply advanced motion techniques to create a smooth and natural-looking animation. Within minutes, your once static image will be transformed into a fully animated video. Preview the video to see how it turned out. Pay attention to the motion quality, fluidity, and overall look of the animation. Once you're happy with the final result, click Download to save the animated video to your device. Now repeat this process for the rest of your images to animate them into videos. The next step is to get the perfect background music for our video. Instead of searching for non-copyrighted tracks, we're going to create our very own custom soundtrack. For this, we'll use Suno. Go over to your browser and search for Suno.com. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once logged in, click on the music icon to enter the music creation interface. This is where you'll generate your own unique background tune. Since we're creating an instrumental soundtrack, we don't need lyrics, just a specific music style. To get the best music style for your video, Go over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a music style to create background tune for your video. Then click Enter and ChatGPT will provide the perfect style of music for your video. Copy it and head back to Suno. Now paste the music style into Suno's input field. Give your track a title and click Create. Then Suno will then analyze the style of music and generate 2 different music options based on your selected style. Let's listen to both tracks. Once you've decided on the perfect tune, simply click Download to save it to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated video clips that were generated earlier into the timeline. Click on Aspect Ratio and adjust it to 9:16, the ideal format for vertical video content. This step is crucial for optimizing the video for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. If any of the clips contains unwanted watermarks or logos, to remove them, select the clip and stretch the frame until the logo is no longer visible. Repeat this process for any other clips that require cleanup and make sure the changes do not compromise the overall visual quality. To ensure a smooth viewing experience, we'll add transitions between our clips. Click on Overlays and select the transition style you prefer. Then click Apply to All to apply the transition to all clips for consistency. Next, we add video effects to our clips to further enhance the overall look and feel of the video. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects to explore a wide range of options. Pick an effect that complements the animation style, then drag it across the entire timeline to ensure the effect runs throughout the video. Next, it's time to add the video title. Click on Text, then type in the title, Minions as Game of Thrones characters. Customize it by changing the font style, then changing the text color and adding an animation effect to make it pop. Once styled, position the title at the top of the video so it remains visible but doesn't obstruct key visuals. Now let's label each minion with the name of the Game of Thrones character they represent. Click on Text again and type in the character's name. Then drag the text to the end of the clip so it stays visible throughout that segment. Repeat this process for all clips to ensure viewers know which character each minion is portraying. With the visuals in place, it's time to import the custom background music we created with Suno. Add it to the timeline. Before finalizing the project, play the video from start to finish, carefully reviewing each transition, effect, and text element. Pay attention to timing, flow, and visual consistency. If everything looks perfect, click on Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K for the highest quality, then download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment section below.